Hey YouTube, Randy707 here, and I haven't had that much time to make videos lately, but I got this WWE package a while ago. I know I said the last one was WWE package, and I was really pissed off because I ordered the WWE stuff way early, like a month before the NFL shop. The NFL shop thing came like 3 days after I ordered it. But I've had this package lying around. See, I have a ton of mark stuff off. And I really need to make a video on it, so I decided to do it now. So, shall we open it? And I'm pretty sure it's a t-shirt and a DVD, I think. Here we go. Okay, and here's the order form or something, and let's just show you what I ordered. Oh, WWE logo. I ordered this. Thank you for shopping at WWE shop. My pleasure. Okay, so it says. I didn't order 2 DVDs, but it says I did. Kind of weird, but now originally I wasn't gonna get the DVD, but it was only about $5 more with the Ed and Christian T-shirt. Ed and Christian at least. Yeah, another little form sticker thing. Here we go. Ladder match 2, Crash and Burn. Brand new collection of ladder matches, 3-disc set. Put that a second. And my DX retro shirt. They don't sell these anymore, the DX. I don't think they sell the DX shirts anymore. I haven't checked lately. But there's nothing on the back. It's just retro shirt. And it is WWE shop. It is. Does it say so on the bottom because it's retro? I'm guessing it's that. This is what I've been waiting for. This I've been waiting for a long time. I wanted it so badly. Says again sleeve. Sort of. And it is, again, it doesn't have anything but for the reason that they didn't have that back then when these were made, and they're trying to keep it, vintage. And that's all I have, but now might as well open the DVD and see what we have. Okay, so Kofi Kingston on the front, jumping on Christian and someone else. I think it's Kane. Can't tell. So let's try to open it. Yeah. See if I can find something.